everyone, my name is Elle. Welcome to LCAT TV channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook cinnamon puto. Let's get started! Wait a minute, what is cinnamon puto? It is a Filipino steamed cake dashed with cinnamon. The goal is to enrich the steamed cake with a unique flavor and health benefits for you and the whole family. According to www.bbcgoodfood.com, cinnamon has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It contains antioxidants with anti-inflammatory effects. Its prebiotic properties may improve gut health. It reduces blood pressure, lowers blood sugar and risk of type 2 diabetes. And lastly, it relieves digestive discomfort. Well, let's get to the point of cooking. Here it is. We need the following ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup water, 3/4 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup whole milk, 1/4 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 3 teaspoon baking powder rounded, 1 teaspoon cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Alright, the cooking show. Let's have the dry ingredients first. very much done with the preparation. Let it sit for a few minutes. This time, prepare the steamer. Half fill the pan with water. And then, wait for the water to boil. While waiting for the water to boil, prepare the puto cups. Put the puto paper in the puto cups and then pour the mixture into the cup. This time, put them in a steaming pan. All right, we are ready to go. Cover it and cook it for 15 minutes. Alright, 15 minutes is done and the puto or steamed cake is now cooked. Yay! We have now an excellent food for breakfast. It is a healthy food because of the cinnamon in it. Alright, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, write your comment on the section below, and please share it. Once again, thanks and bye-bye. See you in my next videos.